Recommend highlight features and reviews that people are talking of. GIKPAL Inflatable Water Slide, Indoor-Outdoor Inflatable Bounce House with Pool Slide. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. The Bouncy House with Free Blower is made of premium Oxford materials, heavy-duty 840D Oxford and 420D Oxford, which is resistant and durable. The jumping area is surrounded by mesh walls to ensure the safety of children and allow for maximum ventilation to the castle. This interesting kids' bouncy house features including a long slide, a basketball hoop, a splash pool and a jumping area and a climbing wall, providing more way for children to play than the traditional. The bouncer with pool slide is an excellent gift for children to keep fit. Physical exercise and interaction with friends to replace screen time. This water slide with bouncing area will provide continuous bounce for children and bring them a cool summer. The inflatable jumping castle with a 450 watts UL certified air blower inflates in less than 1 minute and also can be quickly deflated. The whole process does not have to wait for a long time to give children a better game experience. A water hose assembly kit, 4 blower stakes, 7 bouncer stakes, an air pump, a basketball, 3 repair patches, a carrying bag are included in this jumping bouncing house. If you have any issues, please kindly contact us, we are always here. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.